So the display on a smartphone is the most important element, as it is the part of your phone that you interact with all the time. Samsung, as you know, makes the best displays in the world. They not only use their displays for their own phones but also outsource them to other smartphone makers including Apple. The iPhone 14 will again use OLEDs from Samsung, but Apple has also decided to diversify the outsourcing of the displays. Instead of relying solely on Samsung for the displays, they have also decided to get it from LG and a Chinese display maker named BO. BO has been trying for years to get Apple as a client, and a few days ago we got a report that Apple has finally decided to get BO on board as a third display supplier for the iPhone 14 lineup after Samsung and LG. But something happened. BO messed up, and I actually find this really funny. Here's what happened. After getting the order to manufacture nearly 40 million iPhone displays in 2022, which is more than LG, BO was suddenly dropped as a supplier for iPhones. Why? Well, BO tried to pull a fast one on Apple, but Apple found out. To be specific, BO tried to reduce the operating cost by changing the design of the OLED panels, such as expanding the circuit width of the thin film transistor. But they did all of this without informing Apple. So basically BO thought they would make this design change and save a lot of cash for themselves, and hope that Apple wouldn't find out. Honestly, how stupid BO must be to even think they can go behind Apple's back and hope that Tim Cook wouldn't find out. Doing an unauthorized design change on a part to a large customer like Apple is a huge no-no in the industry, and it's no Apple didn't hesitate to drop BO from the iPhone display supplier. This, by the way, is actually great news for Samsung and even LG, as this would mean those OLED makers Samsung and LG. And this would not only increase Samsung and LG's revenues, but also Samsung would have one less competitor to worry about. With that being said, the prices for the iPhone 14 lineup have been revealed. According to John Prosser, the iPhone 14 will start at $799, while it's $899 for the 14 Pro. The iPhone 14 Pro, on the other hand, will start at $1,099 and $1,199 for the 14 Pro Max. Basically a $100 increase in price. By the way, the price hike isn't a result of this BO mess up. Also, we have a 3D mock-up of the iPhone 14 Pro Max from Shrimp Apple Pro, which shows how big the pill-shaped cutout is going to be next to a 13 Pro Max. Again, it looks like Apple has decided to display Face ID components and the front-facing camera as separate cutouts rather than a unified notch, and called it a day. It also shows the camera hump is going to be significantly bigger, and it's going to be much rounder than the 13 Pro Max. Of course, make sure to subscribe for all the updates on the iPhone 14, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.